Let's take a look at these examples. Again, we have square root on the left side of the equation and square root on the right side. In order to eliminate the radical signs, we have to square both sides of the equation. Square is going to eliminate radical sign, and this square is going to eliminate this radical sign. I have y equals 2y minus 7. Next, I'm going to collect all y's on the right side, and everything whatever is without y to the left side. So I'm going to take this negative 7 and move to the left. This y I'm going to move to right. So I'm going to have 7 equals 2y minus y. 7 is equal 2y minus y is y. Y is equal 7. Let's check if this is correct answer to my problem. I'm going to replace every y in my equation by 7. And left side has to be equal to the right side. So I have square root of 7 is equal to square root of 2 times 7 minus 7. Square root of 7 equals square root of 7 times 2 is 14 minus 7. Square root of 7 equals 14 minus 7 is square root of 7. Left side is equal to the right side. It means that solution to my problem is y equals 7. Let's take a look at this example. Again, I have radicals on both sides of the equation. Okay, and I have nothing else added to it or multiplied, so that's why I can square both sides of the equation in order to eliminate the radical signs. This square is going to eliminate this radical sign, and this square is going to eliminate this radical sign. That's why I have 12 minus n equals n minus 8. Next, we have to collect all n's on one side and numbers on the other side. That's why I'm going to take, because I have negative n, I'm going to take this negative n and move to the right side. And I'm going to take this negative 8 and I'm going to move to the left side. So I have 12 plus 8 is equal n plus n. 12 plus 8 is equal 20. N plus n is 2n. In order to find n, I have to divide both sides of the equation by whatever is multiplied to n. I have to divide by 2. 2 and 2 will cancel out. So I can say that 20 divided by 2 is 10 is equal n. Let's check if this is correct answer to my problem. I'm going to replace every n in my equation by 10. So I have square root 12 minus 10 equals square root 10 minus 8. 12 minus 10 is equal 2. And I have 10 minus 8 is 2. As you can see, left side is equal to the right side. That's why n equals 10 is the solution to my problem.